Hey guys, so welcome to our home for the night. Guys, this is one thing that I love about being home because we can choose to either sleep in the house or in the camper. And if you know me, I love being in the camper. So yeah, so this is, I'm not sure, the last video that I wanted to show you guys of staying in the camper, I took the video, but I didn't include it in our stay, the last Germany stay. But you guys can see this is the camper, right? This is the bedroom. You guys can see the bedroom. Now the beds are 2 single beds. Usually Mama and Olaf prepares the bed so that it's one big bed, but I guess because we're here just for one night, it doesn't make sense to put them together only to take them apart tomorrow. I just opened the windows. Let me show you guys. Opened the windows, lift the net because it's mosquito season. And the one thing I love about this camper as well, you see here, you can open this, make it a huge counter. You see it opens up to the kitchen. Usually if you want, you can even like sit here and have like office desk vibes, but usually we just have it closed because we don't. If I am sitting here for work, I usually go and sit in the kitchen, but there's so much storage. You guys, this camper is amazing. Storage everywhere. You guys see storage. The storage on top, more blankets. There's lights, night lights that we use. There's like a counter that you can use here on the top of the bed. Then there's extra storage here. And there's a cable for plugging and charging. Come to the kitchen. Oh yeah, there's a whole bathroom. Like a whole bathroom, guys. You see, it's got a toilet, a basin, more storage, mirrors, more storage. And then it's got a skylight. It opens up for humidity and all of that jazz. Then got the kitchen. It's got a sink. See the sink. There's a tap. It's got a stove. The stove also opens up. It's like a 3-plate gas burner. More windows. More kitchen storage. There's like dishes and everything. Then there's more storage here. Like this is cutlery. And just more storage. It secures, you see. And then you can come and you open. The securing is for when you're traveling, so it doesn't open up. And then there's the fridge. We have a fridge. It's not on because we're just here for the night. If we're here longer, usually they make it on for us and we use it. But now you can switch it on and off here. There's a knob here. And last but not least, we have our eating area. This is where I say I sit and I work from here. It's a nice bench, baby, and I sit here. But usually if we're here, we don't really eat in the camper. We just sleep here and that's it. And then we've got more storage up there. Look at all of that storage. Storage. More storage in here. So this is where like the cleaning stuff and more like you can hang your stuff in. More storage. Guys, this camper is amazing. I will show you guys the outside of the camper. But for now, I just want to relax. I'm a bit tired. So I just want to relax. We've been traveling since 2 a.m. And now we just came back from the hospital, visiting Mama at the hospital. So yeah, guys, I am going to just lie here. I'm not going to nap, because napping is a bad idea. It's like 5 or 6 p.m. already. So yeah. So guys, we'll see you later when we're gonna go back to Alpha for dinner. I'm gonna have lamb chops this time. So see you guys later. Good morning, guys. We've been up for a while and we just packed up the camper. We are about to leave and go to Nina's place. I just wanted to show you guys the outside of the camper like I promised, you see. Okay, so I just wanted, it's a normal camper that is pulled by a car. So this is the back and this is the kitchen window. Oh my word! They got this from the Kruger National Park. This is so cute. When we went to the Kruger National Park with them. Well, to South Africa with them. So this is the kitchen as well, above the counter with the stove and the sink. And this is the bedroom. So there's this one and another one on the other side. I can't show you guys on the other side because you guys can see this. It's attached to the plants. But yeah, it's there. I don't know what this is, babe. What is this?
Huh?
What is this?
Storage.
Storage? So that's storage?
Or it is maybe also for the gas bottle.
Maybe for gas as well.
Stove, yeah.
Yeah, but it's storage. And then this is like the connecting to your car. So you can connect this to your car. But that is it. This is the camper. I think there's probably more storage here. This is a connector if you are camping at a site where there's a plug. You can plug in electricity for power. And yeah, at the top here you can attach, we had the last time we were here, there was like a whole tent attached for us to have like an outside area. But this is it. Gives us some more vents for air. And oh, I didn't show you guys this is heating and cooling, right?
Heating, no cooling.
Heating. This is Europe. There's no cooling, huh? No air conditioning in the houses. And then there's plugs at the bottom there. You can actually go in and you can have it in as you drive. But yeah, guys, this is the camper.